everybody. I thought I would pop on really quickly tonight. I have this new thing that I have never tried before. It's called the Curl Kit. Here a little backstory. I feel like with my hair, obviously I need to wash it. Today's a wash day. I always find products and then either they disappear off the market or they change the formula. And I feel like it's so hard to find curly products that I really like. And so, as you can tell, I'm kind of sick. Sorry, I'm like, ugh. And so I finally found something that I liked, and it was, I got my hair cut, and the person that cuts my hair, she's like, you need to try this Matrix stuff. So I have this Matrix, it's called 3 Butters. It's shampoo and conditioner, and then the conditioner can also be a leave-in, too. So I loved it, and then I also have this. It's Bodifying Jelly by Matrix. So I have this. We went on vacation a few weeks ago, and I'm packing everybody else's stuff up. Guess what I forget? All of my toiletries in the shower thing. I was so mad. And like, I'm pretty frugal about stuff. And so this is like, I kind of splurged on this shampoo and conditioner and I left it in the hotel. I'm like, are you kidding me? And so I was going to buy some more, but then I was scrolling on Instagram and they're like, here's Curl Kit or whatever, like how they catch you. You're like, oh, what's this? And so then I looked into it and it was only $20 for the first month. So I figured for some full-size products, I might as well check it out. And then if I don't like it, I can go back to my stuff that I have been using. And so what did I say this is called? Bodifying Style Jelly. It's by Matrix. I actually saw that at Meijer too. I was surprised, but I got it at my salon. And this is just like a gel. You don't need a ton of it. So anyway, I'm going to show you what's in this curl kit. I already threw away the box. I'm not very good at that kind of stuff. But I will show you like the actual box that it came in. Oh, one more product before I forget. I actually just found this on clearance at Target, and this has been working really good for Gabby's hair. It's Pantene Hydrating Buttercream, and I just use this for like a leave-in conditioner for Gabby's hair, and I've been using it, and it works really well too. So this is another great product. But I will show you what's in the curl kit too. And so I think it's $25 a month, but there's like a code when you pop, they're always like giving you those codes. And so with the code, it was $20. So I figured, I'll just check it out. So here, I'll show you what it is. Wait, how do I flip this? Okay. So here we go, curl kit. And this is how it came. And I think it's just so stuffed with stuff, I guess. And everything in this month is by Shea Moisture. Okay, so I used to love them, and then they switched their product, and then I haven't tried this new one yet, though. So look so all of these products for $20, it's not, if you buy Shea Moisture, it's expensive. So this is a really good deal. I don't know what they have every month, like if it's always full size. This is my first month, and this is not sponsored whatsoever. So this is the Red Balm and Cocoa Butter. So there's a leave-in, it's nice, leave-in or rinse out, which is kind of nice because some days I don't always shampoo, so I could just put this on. And this is detangling, which is awesome for curly hair, obviously. And then there's Reshaping Shine Butter. And usually these things are usually at least $11 for this size container. So this is a great deal. Curl Stretch Pudding. So I'm wondering if this is going to replace the old Shea Moisture stuff. And then this is the styling gel. Is it jelly? Is that what you say? So you get 5 full-size products. That's not bad for $20. Yeah, so I've never heard of this red palm oil. So they must be replacing the old pink style stuff. I'm not sure. So that's what's in the curl kit. Ta-da! That's all I have for today. It's pretty awesome. Have you tried the curl kit? Let me know. I'd like to know what comes in other months, So definitely let me know if you tried it before. Here, let me flip it. Let me know if you've tried it before and what comes every month. I don't know, since it really takes me a while to use stuff, I don't really feel like I would need something every month. I feel like this will last me 6 months right here. So maybe every month they switch it. Or is it always shampoo? I don't know. So let me know if you've tried it before. I'd love some input on that. And I just thought all my curly girls would like to see what it was. So I will let you know if I'm liking the products or not. I'm going to try the shampoo and conditioner and all that stuff tonight because my hair is a mess. That's why it's a mess if there's headband and a bun. This weather has been killing my hair. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that and let me know if you tried the curl. That's what it is. Curl Kit. I think it's just, that's cute. Curly by Nature. I think it's just Curl Kit. Yeah, curlkit.com. And so, yeah, it was $20. I think you can actually buy stuff. So if you like, say you really like this, I think you can go on the website and buy it too. I'm not sure how it works. So I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.